The main idea here is to get a car working and wheels working using linear motion, aka a solenoid. And Owen right here, he kind of coded this Arduino to work with these relays to make alternating current on this solenoid to make it go back and forth. And then we've 3D printed a crank and kind of like an axle, and then 2 wheels to make it. And then next week we should be focusing on getting the entire car together and working to get it done.
Like you can hear these clicking, so during each of these clicks, basically this relay is receiving the power, and this relay has the ground, so basically the power is then flowing this way and then into this relay, but then each time it clicks, the current switches, so then the power is going through this relay and through the opposite direction, which basically makes the magnet go in and out.